How to make a Shopify Perfume Store 2026. Shopify Perfume Store Design Tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to build a Shopify Perfume Store from scratch, with a design that actually looks premium and converts visitors into buyers. Perfume is a product built on emotion and storytelling, so your store needs to feel elegant, not generic. Let's walk through exactly how to set yours up. Step 1. Define your niche before touching Shopify. Decide whether you're selling niche and artisanal perfumes, luxury designer fragrances, budget-friendly everyday scents, or organic and vegan options. This decision shapes every design choice you make next. Step 2. Build your brand foundation. Pick a memorable business name, write a short brand story explaining what makes your perfumes different, and design a logo with a color palette that matches your positioning. Elegant and muted for luxury, bright and playful for mass market. Step 3. Choose a theme built specifically for beauty and fragrance brands rather than a generic template. Look for one with clean typography, generous white space, and layouts designed to showcase product photography, since perfume sells almost entirely through visuals and storytelling. Step 4. Upload high-quality product images from multiple angles and write detailed descriptions that include the top notes, middle notes, and base notes of each fragrance. This kind of detail is what serious fragrance buyers actually look for before purchasing. Step 5. Build your essential pages, including About Us, Contact, and a clear shipping and returns policy. These pages build trust, which matters even more for a product people can't smell before buying. Step 6. Prioritize mobile design. Most fragrance shoppers browse on their phones, so make sure your buttons are easy to tap, your menu is simple to navigate, and your images load quickly without cropping out important detail. Step 7. Keep your visual hierarchy clean. Lead with one dominant message on your homepage, your best product or brand story, and avoid cluttering the page with too many competing banners, badges, or sliders that pull attention away from your products. Here's a pro tip: don't leave promotional or discount-heavy language on a store that's trying to feel luxurious. If your brand is meant to feel premium, keep your announcement bars, badges, and page copy just as polished as your product photography, since one clearance-style banner can undercut the whole experience. So that's exactly how to build a Shopify perfume store that looks professional and sells. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify design tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what kind of fragrance brand are you building?